go now.
What I got, you got to give it to your daughter.
Yeah.
You do a little dance and then you drink a little water. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. Give it away, give it away.
Here we go now.
Give it away, give it away.
What's going on, everyone? Happy Friday. Went to work early. Getting off early. Have not a lot going on. I am going to get an oil change today. As you see, I'm always in my car. I'm always in my ride. So I'm going to get an oil change, and it is hot. Why is it 70 degrees in 1 week before Christmas? You gotta say global warming. But going to get an oil change. Take my daughter to work. We'll see what we get into tonight. It's gonna be low key. I don't have any events going on unless somebody calls and say, hey, you wanna go hang out? So we're gonna play it by ear. So let's get this oil change now. Touch base with you guys a little later on. Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday, December 16th. It's another day. Yesterday, didn't do anything. After I came from work, got my oil change, came home, posted another video, then watched TV for a little bit, got on YouTube, went down the rabbit hole of looking at YouTube videos, and before I know it, it was late, so I went to bed because I had to get up early in the morning. As you can see, it's early. We are headed to upgrade 2 computers, so I'm gonna probably take a couple of clips, not do too much, then we'll be headed back here, do little things. We actually have an event to go to later on tonight. So, but before that, depending on how long it takes for the computers, you know, hit or miss, we can get some other things done. So let's get in the car, head to our destination, and I'll see you guys in a few. What's going on? I'm back. I did the computer upgrade. I actually was there for a long time. I was there for like 4 or 5 hours, almost a whole shift. But I got the guy computers, they straight, they upgraded. Now I came home, took a nap because I was up really early. Then watched a little bit of TV, and now I'm dressed for this pajama party. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing. So I'm gonna put you guys right here so you can see my outfit. I don't know if you can real quick. Okay, silk pajamas right here. Aldo shoes, silk pajamas from Amazon. Yes, you can get almost anything from Amazon. I had this outfit. I bought it last year to go to a pajama party. Wasn't able to wear it. So I was like, oh my gosh, it's perfect because it's warm outside. Because I was gonna wear some plush Christmas pajamas, but I would have been sweating. It's like 65 degrees here in North Carolina. So this is a perfect outfit. You know, grown and sexy. Yeah, look like I got a little bit of money, maybe, I don't know. So I will see you guys in the venue, and we'll see what the night looks like.